Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm here to show you guys why I love the transparent lace so much. Here's what the transparent lace looks like without any lace tint. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray this medium brown lace tint on it. And then I'm going to spray the caramel lace tint on it. Here's the number one reason why I love the transparent lace. The reason why I love the transparent lace so much is the simple fact that you have full control of how your install is going to come out. Most laces come as a Swiss light brown lace, which is completely fine. But what I've grown to realize is that every client isn't really the same skin tone. For example, my client is a medium to caramel tint, which is why this lace tint is going to look amazing on her. I'm going to show you guys the results, the ending results at the end of this video. But let's just say, for example, my client purchases a regular Swiss light brown lace. If I spray the caramel on it, it's going to tint, but it's not going to be true to color because of the simple fact that the lace is already a light brown color. Like I said, most laces come as a Swiss light brown lace, unless it's specified from your supplier on their website or whatever the case may be that it is for a fact transparent. Both of the laces are pretty light, but at the same time, the transparent, as you can tell, is very see-through. If you're about the same skin complexion as me, you can go ahead and purchase a light brown lace because that's the skin tone that I am. I can use any color lace that I want. I can use the light brown lace, the Swiss lace, because it comes in light brown, or I can use the transparent because I can tint it exactly the way I need it to be. This is what the results will look like with using the transparent lace as well as the lace tint. In this scenario, I'm only using the lace tint. If you want to use makeup, you can. It's all up to you. It's either one or the other. You can use the lace tint or you can use the makeup. I wouldn't recommend to use both because it's really unnecessary and you don't really want to use unnecessary products if you don't have to. So it's either or, the lace tint or the makeup, the lace tint or the makeup. And make sure that the lace tint or the makeup matches your skin because that is going to give you the results that you need. The flawless results that you need all depends on the lace color, the lace tint, or the makeup that you're using to conceal your lace with your skin. Hope you understand now. Now I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this install and get my client all finished. The main purpose of this video was to show you guys the wonders and the magic that the transparent lace can give you. I hope you can fully understand. Like I said before, the transparent, you have full control of how your install is going to come out. The light brown one, if you're light brown or anything darker than light brown, you're all set to go. It's going to come out perfectly for you. And if you're just not sure, go ahead and grab the transparent lace because either way it goes, you're going to be good and you're going to have flawless results. See you guys next time.